Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. In this video, we'll learn how to save and reuse design assets so you no longer have to spend a lot of time perfecting a specific section or element, but instead easily copy-paste your saved design asset onto a different project. Let's get started. First, what is a design asset? An asset can be anything you've created, a stylish button, a complex container, or even an entire section layout. If you love how it looks and want to use it again, you can save it to your personal collection. To save it, simply click on the element that you want to work on, say for example this button, right click on it and click on Save Asset. On this pop-up window, give your asset a name and add it to a library. If you don't have one yet, click Create New Library, enter a name for your new library, and click on Create. Now to find your save assets, go to the plus button and go to Assets. By the way, you might need to refresh your page in order for the assets to appear here. Alternatively, you can also go to the Wix logo, go to Tools, and go to Libraries. Here you should see your newly created library, as well as the assets contained in this library. If you'd like to apply it, you can click on Apply Styles to Site. And if you'd like to share this to your team members, turn on sharing, input their emails here, or copy the link and send it to them. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.